Hi guys! So I'm Carolina, and for my lesson plan, I wanted to focus on 4th grade Texas history. And my TEKS is 4.16 Citizenship. The student understands important customs, symbols, and celebrations of Texas. The student is expected to explain the meaning of various patriotic symbols and landmarks of Texas, including the Six Flags that flew over Texas, the San Jacinto Monument, the Alamo, and various missions. So my objective is going to be the student will explain the meaning of important Texas symbols such as the state flower, the bluebonnet, and important landmarks such as the Alamo. And then here for my resources and materials, I have the vocabulary terms that the students are going to be learning or going over in the lesson. And I have various resources like the Alamo virtual field trip, the Bullock Museum where students can look over like different information about the bluebonnet or the Alamo, a short 2 to 3 minute video on the Alamo or like related to the Battle of the Alamo, my PowerPoint presentation that will include more information on the Alamo and the bluebonnet as well as the definitions of the vocabulary terms that students are going to be looking at. And then at the end for my evaluate part is the Kahoot game, which includes 7 questions on the bluebonnet and the Alamo. Then here are my other resources I'm going to be using throughout the lesson. Okay, so for my engage part, I plan to read the book The Legend of the Bluebonnet by Tommy the Paola, and I feel like that's going to be a great way to like get students' attention. And then I'm also going to be showing the students a picture of the Alamo and access students' prior knowledge by creating a list of the bluebonnet and the Alamo, and I will be like calling out on students like what they need to see, what they know, anything they know about either the bluebonnet or the Alamo. And then for my explore part, I'm going to be doing the Alamo virtual field trip. And after doing that, like showing the students like the various places of the Alamo, they are going to create their own either the Alamo or bluebonnet on a white construction paper and provide 4 to 5 facts on either their symbol or landmark that they chose to work on. And so the materials also include color pencils, markers, and of course they're going to be using social studies books and textbooks, and the Bullock Museum is a good resource for them to be able to gather those different facts. And also students are encouraged to collaborate in their table groups. However, they're each going to be doing their own individual activity. And for the explain part, I actually created a PowerPoint presentation. Oh, well, before that, I'm going to be showing the students a 2 to 3 minute video on the Battle of the Alamo, which relates to the Alamo, so students get like a better understanding of what the Alamo means. And then afterwards, we'll be like going deeper into the lesson by showing them the PowerPoint presentation that includes the different terms, definitions, and more information on the Alamo and the bluebonnet. And in this part, students are also going to have their Texas history notebooks with them, so they are able to write down the terms and definitions and anything else that they learn. And for the elaborate part, I am going to have the students do like a think, pair, share, where I'm going to ask the questions. They're going to think about the questions, and here are the questions, and they're going to talk with their elbow partners, and also they are going to write like their ideas and thoughts, or like their partner's ideas and thoughts, and afterwards will be a whole classroom discussion on either like what they said or what their partner said, and anything that they learned so far about the Alamo and the Bluebonnet. And lastly, for the evaluate, I'm going to have the Kahoot game, so that will be like my exit ticket. It has 7 questions on the Bluebonnet and the Alamo. And so for this part, students are going to be using iPads and laptops to access the game. And after the game concludes, that will be the end, or the last thing for our lesson. So this was my lesson, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.